Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos on the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Swispy. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Swispy works. Now as a friendly reminder, the discounted price for this digital product launch is limited time offers, so make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. And now to get this discounted price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And also I'm offering you my free bonuses and we'll show you how you can get here. You can pretty much click the link down below into my description of this video, and I will show you how you can get this product later on to this walkthrough video, and then you can retrieve my free bonuses right here. So all you got to do is just scroll down and take a look at the bonuses available for you that I'm going to be offering if you decide to purchase Swispy into my bonus link down below in the description of this video. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Swispy. Now to put it briefly, Swispy will actually let you build mobile apps from websites in just 2 minutes. Now with this program, as you can see here, this will actually let you create apps and you don't have to code anything. You don't have to do all this high technical stuff. Pretty much there is a tutorial on how you can actually create this mobile apps so that you can pretty much create these. It includes about 30 done for you templates available for you to start creating these apps, and then you can potentially either sell them or you can give them away as bonuses or whatever you want to do with this app creation. It's pretty cool. I've never come across a product that actually lets you create apps, because in my mind they actually involve a lot of coding, a lot of fixing stuff, and so much more. Now you can choose that you can choose whatever you'd want for this app to be created, and then you can pretty much customize and it's actually easy to use drag and drop editor that gives you total control. So again, you really don't have to go all deep with creating this mobile apps, so you can pretty much tweak your mobile app until it gets perfect to your liking. And finally, once you've done that, once you create this app, you can pretty much publish it, and then when you're happy with the design, all you got to do is hit publish, and then it's ready to go. Your mobile app is ready to be viewed. It can be downloaded, it can be played around the world. Whoever gets a hands on this awesome app that you created, and then pretty much that's all it is. It's a very simplified way to create apps of your choice that you can potentially sell it to anyone or everyone of your depending on if you want to do that, but I'd rather create apps this way and give it as a bonuses, or I could give it away as a gift so that I can get more buyer leads for my email list. And it's pretty cool basically, and I like that idea. I like how I'm able to create my own app, and it's pretty much, this is the front end of Swispy, and you really don't have to pretty much pay more money anywhere else. If you want to code, if you want to build your own apps, you have to pretty much pay a lot of money. It involves a ton of money as well, but this is great for beginners or who just started out there to plan on creating apps of your choice, so that you can get a feel of looking at and see how you can create your app of your choice. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Swispy. Now you can turn any pretty much you can turn any website into a beautiful iOS, or if you have an Android phone, that too, you can actually make Android apps in minutes. So this is one thing that I like about is it's quick an easy to use way to create your own apps that you can pretty much operate this, or you can use this for the iOS phones or Android users out there. So this is one of the things that I like about Swispy, and you actually don't need to register a developer account and need any approval from Play Store, from Apple Store, or so on. So you can just create and you don't have to worry about asking permissions. And pretty much this is also a Google Ads monetization to make money on autopilot. So again, you can put this on autopilot and potentially you can create or you can earn money from this method. And so, a lot of people out there are always buying apps, and so, the more subscribers or the more people that's gonna get hands on to your apps, then the better your chances of monetizing a lot of money from this. And also with Swispy, this is 100% user friendly and it's very easy to use. Now I'm gonna be showing you a demo right after I talk about the benefits of Swispy. And all you gotta do with this program, because of this new product launch, bear in mind that you only pay once and you can use it forever if you have to. Now, there are no monthly fees for this. You don't have to pay extra, no hidden fees. All you gotta do is just buy this right now in one-time low price, and that's pretty much it. You can have this product lifetime. So this is one of the things that I love about Swispy. And also they provided 100 of the done for you templates that you can use to create stunning apps. So again, when you create apps, they included about 100 templates that you can choose from, so you can potentially customize the way you want your apps to look like. And it's free commercial to sell mobile apps for thousands of profits. Now, once you create all these apps, you can pretty much sell your app creation, and then you can earn money from it. And so, this is one of the awesome things that I love, is because, bear in mind, I've been giving away info products, courses, and I haven't really thought of selling apps. And so that's why I'm really excited about this product to be sell to anyone out there, because having an app, it feels like it's expensive way to own one, because apps they're pretty cool. It's just more, I would say it's more intuitive than having info product. And so not that there's something wrong with info products, but having an app is actually great, and it's just like a lot to work on and a lot to do and a lot to pretty much play around. Whereas other things out there, it's just I feel like you just want something different. And so let's put it that way. Now let's go to the walkthrough of Swispy. So this is the main dashboard of the Swispy product here. As you can see, this is where you can look at your analytics on the front page of the dashboard. Now here in the generate apps, this is where you can start generating your apps. All you gotta do here is you enter a link, description, the GDPR, click on that. Then for the app icon, you can either find your own images and then just upload it from here. Then you can name this app and the internal name, and then once you've done that, then you hit confirm. Now next would be, this is where you can find all your saved apps over here. So as you can see here, all you gotta do is pretty much, let's say if you use Facebook or Google website, where you can actually put here link, it's gonna let you create the special app that you'd like to make here. And then once you finish this part, the generate apps, all the apps will be saved here, and then you can hit download so that you can download that app, and so on. Now we're gonna move to the send notification. This is where you pretty much send the notification in this part here. So as you can see, there's a lot of testing going on in here just to see if it works, and it does work. So This is your notification. Hit send to send this. Then if you have any questions about the walkthrough video of how to get this started, now this will be the tutorials that you're gonna be going, so that you'll be able to watch the demo of how you can get this started, how you can use this software, and so on. So here are all the questions or the demo of how Swispy work. So pretty much you just watch the demo, and here are more stuff that you can find out. Maybe I'd watch this whole demo so that you'll have a better understanding of how you can use the product here, so that, you know, as you can see, it's not too technical, so which is a good thing, because if it's too technical, then it's gonna be so hard to figure out the members area. And so, because I've come across a lot of program that has so many options and it gets really overwhelming, it's just so hard to understand how everything works. And so pretty much this is self-explanatory. Just pretty much just go to these options here. You generate your app, then you go find your save app, and then just send the notifications. And pretty much if you have more questions about it, you can watch the video tutorials. And then again, if you still have more questions, you can reach out support. So I guess when you press that button, then the Outlook email will automatically open, but just go ahead and press that, and your Outlook, or if you have an Apple, I'm pretty much gonna send you to the email address that you wanna reach out to the team, and you can go ahead and ask them questions so that you can get answers from them for more in-depth questions of Swispy. Now I want to talk about my bonuses. So now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Swispy, this is going to go live on September 4th. Now that's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then this will actually pop up once you click on the green button, and it's going to take you here. Now don't forget to click here to claim your $5 discount, so it's going to help you with not paying more money for this product during the launch period. Then you hit claim your $5, and then over here is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before my countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim these bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and just scroll down, then click on any of these green buttons here to go through to the sales page, which you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about these bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page here, and then you can go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'll be more than be happy to answer any of your questions. Now over here, to actually claim these bonuses that I'm offering to you, that I just mentioned to you earlier, is completely free of charge. Even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video, it's only going to be one-time price of $17. Now also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet needs for your online business. Now please consider by checking out all the upgrades. Bear in mind, if you want to increase your chances of earning more money, feel free to check out the available upgrades of Swispy right here onto my bonus page. So read more information about it. It's not going to be, thousands of dollars upgrade. Like, they're not that expensive upgrades, which is pretty awesome. It's affordable, and I guarantee you, take advantage of the upgrades so that you can start earning more money. So the more you invest, the more money that you're gonna get, pretty much. Now, when you click the link down below in the description to purchase Swispy, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you'll find down below in the description of any of my review videos or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Swispy. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 7th. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. But with my coupon, you're gonna get $12. So make sure that you click the link down below using my link so that you can get the $5 discount, so you're not paying the full price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Swispy review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Now, make sure to click the link below to purchase Swispy at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to check out my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.